I'm sorry, y'all. I'm obsessed with how good I look in this light. Like, what the fuck? Like... Hey, y'all. Long time no see. Ooh, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Peaches. This is Life is Peaches. What's up? If you are new here, welcome to the festivities, baby. And if you're returning, baby, welcome back. Welcome the fuck back. Okay, so I've been gone for a long ass fucking minute, but I'm back now. We about to do this shit. Okay, so as you can see by the title, today we're gonna go be taking some pictures. You know, we finna get cute or whatever, and we're gonna go do what it do. So if you guys want to come with me, stay the fuck tuned. And before we get any further, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like this idea and you want to see more of it. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my... See the fits on the bed behind me. You'll see the fits, okay? That's what we're gonna be rocking today. I'm gonna be doing 2 fits today. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm ready. Okay. You see the face? Baby, you see the face? You see this face, baby? Okay, y'all. So I'm ready. I've got the first fit on, the one that's the most complicated, the one that required a lot more effort is the one I put on first. We're gonna go find our location and then we're gonna snap it up in this look, and I'm gonna change and snap it up again. So if you guys want to see, keep motherfucking watching, obviously. Okay, y'all. So we are out here. As you can see, the sun is shining. It's a little chilly today, but the sun is shining, so you know we finna snap it up real fucking good. Makeup is looking good because the sun is out, baby. Ow, look. Ooh. Okay, so I'm just on top of a parking deck, do a quick little spin. You know, I've been noticing that a lot of people do like take pictures in parking decks, so I was like, fuck it, that is pretty smart. Like, sun be high and it's like good, nobody can really tell, so I'm about to start doing that. That's why we out here. The fuck. Anyways. So I'm using my camera to take the pictures and my phone to record. I realized that like when I use my phone to take pictures, even if the quality is like really fucking good, once I transfer it to Instagram, the quality is shit. So I'm using my camera because usually when I transfer the pictures, the quality from my camera to my phone, it still holds. So that's what we finna do, and we finna see, you know, hopefully I get some good footage with my phone still, like for you guys, so you guys can see the process. I generally do this by myself most of the time, unless like somebody feeling like they want to help or something, you know. But I generally do this by myself. So this gonna be tricky because I have one tripod and one camera, so we gonna do what it do. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I've snapped it up a little bit. The sun is just so fire right fucking here. Like, damn, this shit is fire. Like, if I could just like bottle this sunshine and keep it with me, bitch, I fucking would. Like, this shit, this is unexplainable. But anyways, this I flicked it up a little bit in this fit, you know, in this fitty fit, and I'm about to go change into the next fit and then flick it up in that. I recorded my reel that I was gonna do for today, so once I go home and like edit all that, then it's gonna be up for next It's up, baby. I'm about to flick it up in the next fit. I can't wait to put it on because honestly I've never worn the dress and I'm like excited as fuck. Okay. Outfit number 2. Okay, boot check real quick, bitch. Okay, so I'm about to snap it up real quick and then take my ass home because I need to get the fuck out of these clothes. I don't like having too much on, baby. I want to be naked. So we about to snap it up a little bit and then go home, okay? What you calling that? I call living. Hey y'all, okay, so wait, let me flip it. Okay. I'm about to take my ass home. Okay, the photos was a success. I didn't really look at them, to be quite honest, but I took a whole bunch, so I feel like out of the 50 I took, there should be at least 10 that are like good enough that like I'm in love with. You feel me? But now I'm about to go home, kind of edit and put some stuff together. Today is Tuesday, so we're posting a reel today. You'll feel me? So we're gonna go get that together, do a little bit of advertising and whatnot, and a little I'm sorry y'all, I'm obsessed with how good I look in this light. Like what the fuck? Like what the fuck? Damn. Anyways, so we outie. Okay, y'all, so if you enjoyed watching that, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more like this. And if you want to see the photos from this video, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later. Thank you all for tuning in. Love you.